This one has a headline that I just love too much to leave out. It's the last story of the day. Famous alien hunting telescope slashed to pieces in mysterious midnight accident.
Oh.
Don't you love that headline right there? Doesn't that get you going? I mean, it's got mysterious in it. It has midnight in it. It has alien hunting in it. Everybody's super into aliens right now. We got all this new information. You go to read this story, and it just turns out it's like a pretty boring malfunction that took place.
Really?
Yeah, it's a pretty boring malfunction. They say that on Monday, August 10, at approximately 2:45 a.m. local time, a metal cable at the facility snapped, slashing through the radar dish and tearing open a 100-foot-long hole, according to a statement from the University of Central Florida, which operates the National Science Foundation-owned facility. The snapped cable smashed through several other cables and platforms that supported the dish, causing debris to rain down on the ground, making it harder for technicians to access the site. I mean, it looks devastated, actually, in the images. This particular site goes back to 1963. It's at the bottom of a natural sinkhole in Puerto Rico, by the way, which would be a cool place to examine the sky, obviously. It also has some famous connection here. Do you remember the movie Contact?
Yeah.
Well, I guess part of it took place over here.
Oh.
Searching for aliens, trying to make contact. Jodie Foster, remember that movie? I think I saw it at a drive-in movie theater. Imagine young Lou wondering about the sky and the aliens.
And the wormholes?
Wormholes.
Yeah.
That was me sitting in the drive-in movie theater. Well, this is a little less exciting than that, but nonetheless, I give them points for an incredible headline and finding a way to use the word alien in 2020.